Budgeting for your kitchen remodel. There are many questions to ask yourself when deciding on a budget for your kitchen remodel, including how and how often you use your kitchen and what items areas will get the most use. As we discussed in February's column, you can usually count on $100 minus $200 per square foot for major home construction or renovations, but this range may change depending on where you live and how savvy you are at finding a bargain or how much you love to splurge on the latest trends in technology. The good news about remodeling either a kitchen or a bath is these spaces often get 80 to 100% return on investment if you decide to sell. But to ensure a positive return, a good rule of thumb is to spend between 6 and 10% of the total home value on your kitchen renovation. That will give you a good market value on your kitchen without overspending. This is great for flipping homes, of course, but you also must consider quality of life for you and your family, how long you will live in this property, and what you can afford. So if you spend a bit more than the 10% but this is your forever home, your dream kitchen, and you can afford it, then by all means, I say go for it. I find most full kitchen remodels range between $40,000 and $100,000 depending on the size of the kitchen and your geographic location. But, of course, the sky is the limit on fabulous kitchen splurges out on the market today, so a luxury kitchen can easily be 2 or 3 times this range if you don't keep your choices in check. My own kitchen remodel was between $80,000 and $100,000, and that is around 8 to 10% of my home value. My biggest splurge was the thermometer appliances. Because I love to cook and bake, I have a professional dual fuel range with 6 burners, and a griddle and 2 ovens underneath. I also splurged on a steam oven in the wall,